welcome back to Postbox C channel and back to the tutorial for C programming and data structure. Today we are going to continue the topic called union in C programming. The previous session I explained about what is structure, how to declare structure, how to access the members in structure, and also with example everything. So today we are going to see the union because when you go for the crack the interview or something, definitely the question asked from C language, that is the difference between structure and union. Please support our channel and check the playlist when you have a doubt, the series of C programming playlist, and this tutorial definitely helpful to crack the GATE University competitive exam also. Let's go for session today. So today's we are going to see the basic thing. What define the union? What is it, that is what is meant by union, and what's the difference between structure and union, and declaring union using normal variable, initialization using normal variable, at last accessing union members using normal variable with example. With the example, online compiler definitely execute the C program. So union like structure what? Union is a C, union in a C language what? Is a user dependent data type. That is used to store the different types of elements. Moreover, it's one of the special data type. And at once only member of the union can occupy the memory. Defining union. If you want to define, we need support of union keyword. So if you want to define the union, we need support of union. And syntax. How do you define? What is the syntax of union? If you want to write the program union, you can give like this: union space union underscore name, that is union name. Then data type member one, data type member two, and so on. Data type member, that means different data types like integer, float character, like that you can write. So there will be another method is that I am showing only method this because we will get clarity and we can follow anyone. Then go for another one. Then example. Let's say the example I am writing the code called union sample where I am writing int a, float b, and character c. So access members of union. If you want to access the member of union, you can use dot operator, or else one more is the pointer variable, left arrow. This arrow mark we can use. So let's go for another mode where we get the difference between structure and union. So remember, in structure all the data members share the different memory locations, but in union all the data members share the same memory location. Let's assume that I have a code called union sample where the user A here occupies 2 bytes. If you take union means here, if take union, you take the union where memory location is there where it take A take 2 bytes integer and float take 4 bytes, class C character take 1 bytes. So totally how much 4 bytes enough to save the data member of the union. But in structure not like that. A having A take 2 bytes and B take 4 bytes separately and C character take 1 byte. So totally 7 bytes required to save the data member. So that's the difference. So in structure all the data members share the different memory locations, so it occupies memory, but in union same memory. Suppose 4 bytes is there, they can save the integer A, float B, and character C also. Totally 4 bytes you can save. That means all data members share the same memory location. Let's back to the PPT. See, before seeing the program, you see the example program where you can understand. You see the small example regarding student data. So here example. So like example, I am going to create a union for a student. I am going to write the information like field like into mark, character name, and float average. Declaring union using normal variable. So if you want to use you can declare means union student space report. That is a declaring union. Then I declare now I can use initializing union. So initializing means what? I am going to give some values of this field. That is union student report is called 100 jar 99. So when I 99.5 like that. So when I give like this, what happened? The 100 will go to the mark and the John will be a character student name and the average mark is the 99 or something. So accessing union member. Just now I told you for normal variable can use report.mark and report.name, report.average accessing. Let's go for another mode before going to the last slide. Where in the notepad I have a small program. So a simple program to demonstrate the print student data. So student data, you can print it just 2 records, sample records. Here, so I can write with the async code stdio.h, string.h. I am writing union student where character I am giving name of 20, character subject 20, at a float percentage. This information I will print. Then I'm going to write int main where I'm going to give union student record 1 and union record 2. That is a declaration of doing. Now I'm going to access the data members of the union. That is what name, subject, port, percentage. So remember in this first one assigning value to record one union variable, it will print only the percentage value. By default it will print only the it won't just print empty record of record name and subject. At last percentage it will print 86.5. But when you come to the assigning value to record 2, it will print everything because we are following printf str or cpy, that is string copy of properly. Here not like that. So I am writing str cpy of record 1 dot name submit and str cpy record 1 dot subject of max at last percentage 86.5. Then I want to print one by one. What is the values I want to print? That is record 1 details like name, record 1 dot subject, record 1 dot percentage. And assigning values to record 2 union variable where I am going to give printf record 2 values. Example like this: record 2 dot name, that is John, and str copy cpy record 2 dot name comma John. So it will copy the name to the record 2. Then printf followed by the printf statement percentages for string and slash n for new line. Then record 2 dot name. Another field was subject. So I am writing subject is physics followed by subject percentage slash n record 2 dot subject. At last another one is a percentage. So I am writing record 2 dot percentage equal to 99.50. Then printf percentage f slash n record 2 dot percentage. So whenever like this, it will access the members and print the information. So accessing member I am giving like this record 2 dot subject log like that. Let's go for execute the program in online compiler. So when I execute, we will give the answer like this. So already executed, just showing. So if you want, you can use Turbo C or Dev C, C++, whatever the compiler. Yeah, successfully executed. So it's showing record 1 value is example, that's name empty, subject empty, percentage is 86.500 something. So then here we are accessing data members properly. So printing name is John, record 2. Okay, subject is physics and the percentage is 99.5 as whatever giving the program. So this is a very simple program for understanding about the union. Okay, so I hope that you understand what is union and what is the difference between structure and union, how to declare, how to define, the view of writing the C program efficiently. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media at any time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates.